Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use mystery boxes in Mobox. In Mobox, mystery boxes are the special boxes that contains random NFT characters called momos. When you open a box, you receive a random momo NFT with different rarity levels. These momos can be used for the games, digging and mining rewards. First, what you can do is open to your PC and open any of the web browser that you prefer. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down mobox.io and enter it. And once you reach into this interface, make sure you've already connected to your wallet and make sure your wallet is on the BNB Smart Chain. And over here, what you can do is you can go to this Momo farmer in the top left here. And over here on the left hand side, we can find to this mystery box. Select to this mystery box here. And over here, what you can do is you can simply unlock any of the mystery box. Over here, select to this unlock. And over here, you can type down the amount in order to unlock and select this confirm unlock. And that is it. Use it in the Mobox games. After opening the box, you can stake it in the NFT mining to earn Mobox, upgrade or combine momos. Higher rarity momos usually earn more rewards. And sometimes it's cheaper to buy momos directly from the marketplace instead of opening many boxes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.